guys, welcome to Weekly Adventure Week 4. Today we actually are Minnamurra Rainforest.
What?
You want to say anything?
Yes, maybe.
So enjoy the trip with us. It for today. It took about an hour to do it. It was really muggy and hot. We were both sweating and we were sore, and yeah. So this video is a little late this week. We usually go out on a Monday and do our weekly adventure, but my partner was sick. Then Tuesday he was working. Wednesday I had an appointment, so we couldn't do it. So hopefully this video will be up tomorrow, which is Friday. So I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share if you want. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links will be down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!